Good morning guys! Today bibisitahin natin ang Windsor Castle. Ito ay very stunning castle located in Windsor and it is one of the most iconic and historic landmark in the United Kingdom. So let's go! Ayan, Windsor Castle is located in the picturesque town of Windsor and it is the oldest and largest occupied castle in the world. It has been the home of British king and queens for over 1,000 years guys, and it is still being used by the royal family today. And it is open for public, so pwede tayong pumasok so we can explore the magnificent halls, galleries, and state apartments. And one of the most fascinating aspect of Windsor Castle is its architecture na inalter na siya, ni-rebuild na siya over the centuries, resulting in unique blend of styles. And the most famous part of the castle is St. George Castle. It is where Prince Harry and Meghan Markle got married, and ito din ang resting place ng monarch for more than matagal na, including Queen Elizabeth. And another aspect is yung state rooms na very stunning yung mga artworks, including paintings and marami pang iba, and furnitures. And these staterooms are very impressive and still being used today. So ayan guys, papunta na kami sa Windsor Castle. So nandiyan nakalibing si Queen Elizabeth and 10 na kings. And ito yung sinasabi kong mga architecture na very opulent, ang mga paintings, ang mga furnitures, and bawal lang magpicture dito guys, but secretly nakakuha kami, and I hope okay lang yun. Pero merong guard na nakapansin and sinabihan kami na, oy, bawal mag-take ng picture. So ayan guys, yung state rooms, no? Very opulent. Tingnan nyo ang roof, ang furniture, so very nice. So this palace has been present for more than 1,000 years na, and sabi nila si Prince Charles is staying here twice a week. So ayan, palabas na kami guys because we wanted to witness the changing of the guards, which is very iconic. So ayan guys, thank you for watching. Very nice ang Windsor Castle.